I got to do this in video form because I don't think Twitter will allow me to have all this stuff in the box and allotment that it gives me. So, Gina Carano was fired by Disney for making a single tweet about something that she believed in, and because it had nothing to do with Disney, it had nothing to do with attacking one of her co-stars or any of the things in her show. It was just one of her personal beliefs, and Disney didn't like her personal beliefs, so therefore she had to go. So fucking petty and stupid. Gina wasn't a danger to anybody on set or anybody in the company. It had nothing to do with the company. It was just something that she believed in. If she believed in the horse god, who fucking cares? If she believed in like Satan's gonna come down and spite everyone, who fucking cares? Is she a good actress? Does she get along with everybody? Does she do the job right? That's all that fucking really matters. But Disney didn't feel that way. Disney felt that Gina Carano, because of her beliefs, it didn't align with their beliefs, so therefore she had to go. Fucking stupid. If Gina didn't, this is one of the things that was an issue. If Gina didn't want to put pronoun bios in her own fucking Twitter, that's her own fucking personal shit. Then who fucking cares? This is random shit. But if Gina wants to go around there slitting her own wrist, as long as she's not dying, who cares? She's not inciting a riots by getting a whole bunch of teens and idiots to do some shit there. It's just like her own shit there. She should keep things to herself. That is true. But as long as it doesn't hurt anybody, or like it's making fun of anybody or making the brand go down, keep her along. This is not the same thing that James Gunn did on his Twitter a decade ago when he was talking multiple times about what he wants to do to children in a company that has to deal with children. So he's part of Disney. James Gunn was part of Disney for a while, Guardians of the Galaxy, and then a bunch of his former tweets came up there about what he wants to do to young boys, and all of a sudden, he got fired because of the tweets from a decade plus ago. But it was numerous ones that would definitely raise a red flag to anybody, and Disney rightfully let him go. But then Warner Brothers said, "We like that kind of stuff because we're all about the male on male and female on female thing, so you can come aboard with us." So of course his love of his own gender is okay with Warner Brothers Discovery. So he's cool over there. So because Gina had some issue with her beliefs, she had to go. So fucking stupid. She knew it. Everybody else do that shit there. It was so fucking stupid. She didn't do anything wrong. So now, years later, they want her back. They want Gina back, and they were promoting her. They were getting ready for promo material with her, and she was going to make a comeback. But Gina Carano herself, the actual actress, said no. I know you fuckers are doing. Kiss my ass. And rightfully so, she said, you know what? I'm not coming back to this bullshit. I'm not coming back to this song and pony dance bullshit. You shouldn't have fired me in the first place. You're a billion-dollar corporation with a huge responsibility to everybody else around there. You should know. You should be smarter than this to fire somebody based on a personal belief on some Twitter bullshit. You want to fire me for the tiniest small reason? I'm not coming back for that bullshit unless I get in writing that I get full control. She didn't say this part, but she should have said this part. So she doesn't want to come back to Disney's bullshit because they can fire her for any fucking reason. Good for her. Excellent. Definitely good fucking job. If you're not going to treat me like an actual human being and treat me like absolute trash, that like I could look at you the wrong way and get fired. Yeah, exactly. Stay away, stay away, stay away. Pay me $50 million for 1 hour work. Doesn't fucking matter. You're gonna fucking crucify me in the end there. In fact, you wanna pay me $50 million for 1 hour work there? Fine. Pay me the fucker for the fucking hour there, and I'm out. Don't be like, we're gonna go back to the way things were. No. You guys fucked up, and now I deserve a correct compensation, or I'm not gonna get back in there. It's the same thing. It's the same thing along the lines of like, Oops, we accidentally arrested you for 15 years of your fucking life there for an accident, and the witness got the wrong information wrong there. Oh, you're free to go now. That's it? We took away years and years of your life, and you get nothing for it. A million years should be the fucking case. Don't make some mistakes like this one. We locked you up 16 times. You kept getting out 16 fucking times. Get the fuck out of here, bro. Gina Carano knew better. She knew that Disney was in the wrong the entire time. And now they want her back. So stupid. What Disney will eventually do is what other people have done in the past there. Like in Fresh Prince, this is going to replace it with somebody else. Same character, somebody else. In fact, Marvel's already did this. Disney Marvel's already did this. Like in Ant-Man, the daughter changed 3 times, three different movies. They never said anything. It was because she aged differently. No. She's different. She is a different actress. It's still his daughter, same name, but a different actress for some reason. Remember Back to the Future? Marty McFly's girlfriend, Jenna, changed from movie 1 to movie 2. Yeah, exactly. So they're gonna recast her. So that's the easiest thing for them to do because Gina doesn't want to come back. Gina doesn't have to work with Disney anymore. She can go Warner Brothers. I don't know if she wants to go to Warner Brothers. They're not exactly like PC over there either, but she can do other things. She can do other projects. So hopefully she'll do something soon. So it'll be really cool. So what do you think of Gina Carano going away from Disney? Let me know in the comments. Clack off.